few adjustments, increments, and you're finished. This cost-effective option can turn a potential eyesore into a
episode of Sweat Equity, Wednesday night at 10.
What's he doing? What's the cow doing? He's gonna get your toes.
Ready.